So what we're looking at here today is another Kmart or Alaska Atlantic Air Sling fan. So I got this off of OfferUp along with the two black and brass ones, an SMC U42, the Tatung and the Heritage. Now this one is an antique brass, and unlike the black and brass ones, this one uses hammered glass instead of, well, the glass that the black and brass ones use. So this fan is from 1992, and yeah, I don't really have much else to say about this fan. It's basically the same fan as the previous two that I've already filmed, but just in a different finish. Alright, now without further ado, I'm going to demonstrate it. Here's the light. And here's low. Alright, now for medium. And ever high. And as you can see, this fan wobbles quite a bit. And there you have it. That is the Antique Brass Kmart or Alaska Atlantic Air. and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.